Do you have leftover strings of fabric? Make a quilt with this scrappy technique. When piecing on foundation paper, shorten your stitch length. This, combined with a 90-14 needle, will help perforate the paper, making it easier to tear away later. Place the first fabric strip right side up on top of the paper foundation. Your strip should extend off the foundation's edge. Place the second strip right side down over the first strip, aligning the long edge. Stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the strips open. Repeat this sew and flip process until the foundation square is covered. Keep it scrappy, vary your values and colors as desired. To square up the block, make sure everything is within the stitched foundation area. Isolate the desired area using template plastic or a no-slip template. Make sure that you're positioned comfortably to cut. Here, we're tilting our Martelli workstation to a correct angle. Trim off the excess fabric as needed to square up the block. Carefully tear out the paper. Strips and strings and all those things make for a special style of scrap quilt.